Right guys, another video, another explore, another car graveyard. I'm still by an airport, still planes going off. Guess which one? Can you guess? Anyway, old farm, car graveyard, Ford 100E, cherry picker Transit, Mk1 Transit I want to say, remains of Ford Anglia. Let's get into it. Just look what's left of this, gorgeous. Look at that guys. See the petrol tank in the boot, got some nice lights on it. Petrol tank, amazing. Doors out. It's got some remains of his red, either leather or red vinyl seats. Look at this. Floor's gone, roof's gone. But here's the money shot. How pretty is that? Love it. Not a lot left. A little minute engine block. If I was in pretty good nick, you'd have a 2-litre Pinto in there. A bit of fun. Got Kurt over here. And planes all loud there. Amazing. And this next bit's a bit sketchy because they're office buildings here. We've literally got to walk straight through them. As you can see, so they can see us from the desks, but oh well. And here we are guys, here's a Transit.
And obviously I'm with John, I haven't mentioned that yet. But yeah, I'm with John. He knows a lot more about me than these.
Literally, look, the boom of that is the only thing that's keeping the van together.
It's amazing how the trees have grown around it.
Literally, yeah. Engine block, that's seized.
Obviously.
Yeah.
But yeah guys, this is the first time.
And there we go. What remains of Ron Weasley's car. Ford Anglia, rear quarter. And the other parts of it dotted around everywhere. Literally disintegrated.
And this is what is remains of Ford Anglia car. If you don't know what that is, Harry Potter.
Look at the handbrake. That's
all
crazy.
It reminds me of
and there's a Transit.
It reminds me of the scrapyard that me and Jordan did in Norfolk.
It does actually, it's got that vibe about it. Look at this guys, literally the trees going through it. So there we go, I won't bore you anymore with it. It's another little fun video, another car graveyard. Doing what we're doing. I'm absolutely sweating because it's so cold, I'm steaming up. But there we go, some time for camera shots. I'll see you in the next one. Boss out.